What's up YouTube? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up your NVIDIA overlay for clipping. Let's get straight into the video. For the first step is you guys are going to want to download the NVIDIA app. If you guys don't have it already, I'll leave a link in the description to download it. Once you guys have done downloading and opened the app, you guys will be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and sign in and then you guys will be at this screen. Once you guys are signed in, you want to make your way to this icon right here and go ahead and click it. Once the NVIDIA overlay has popped up, go to settings, video capture, and turn on desktop capture. Underneath it will be instant replay lane to show how long your clips will be recording for, and underneath that will be your video quality. Once you are done with your video capture settings, go back and click shortcuts. From here, scroll down until you see the save last 5 minutes, and go ahead and make that any hotkey you would like. This is what you're going to be using to save your clips. Once you are done setting up the hotkey, you can go ahead and go back and click on Files and Disk Space. From here, this is where you can change where your videos will be saving to in your files. Final step is setting up the audio. You're going to want to make your way to settings, audio. For source, you're going to want to make it whatever headset or microphone you got. And that's how you guys set up the NVIDIA clipping software. If you guys need any help or have any questions, go ahead and drop it down in the comment section below. I'll be quick to respond, and you guys have a good one. Ciao.